2399 Indy Tower, fly runway heading runway 23 right, so takeoff.
Fly runway heading 23 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2399.
Southwest 2399, contact departure.
Which departure, Southwest 2399?
2399 departure, yep.
Here's Southwest 2399 with you at 3000.
2399 approach, roger, I did. 2399 radar contact, maintain 3000, understand you want to come back for an ILS, 2 to right. 2399, roger, turn right heading 050.
2399. And Southwest 2399, sir, we'll let you know when we're ready to turn base. We're going to need a little bit of time to run a checklist.
That's 2399, roger. I wasn't able to say the nature of the emergency. So that's 2399, wasn't able to say souls on board and remaining fuel.
All right, stand by, Southwest 2399.
So that's 2399, you want to stay at 3000 for now or you want to climb? So that's 2399, if you would not want to your right, runway 14 is also available with wind is 130 to 8.
Yeah, we'll set up for 23 right for now, Southwest 2399.
2399, right. That's 2399, turn right heading 090.
090, Southwest 2399.
So 2399, I just plan to keep you within about 30 miles of the airport, so just let me know when you're ready to come in.
Couple of vectors, we need to burn some gas anyway, so this will work.
So 2399, turn right heading 140, vectors through the localizer. Southwest 2399, turn right heading 140, expect vectors through the localizer. So 2399, turn right heading 230. So 2399, turn right heading 320, vectors to the localizer.
So Southwest 2399.
So 2399, go ahead.
All right, we're ready to take vectors for the approach. Just if you would, let the folks on the ground know, we will stop on the runway initially till we're cleared by the fire department, and then we'll be able to taxi you back to a gate from there.
So 2399, thank you. We'll pass that along. You're cleared back to Indianapolis via radar vectors. Fly heading 140 now, maintain 3000.
Heading 140, maintain 3000, Southwest 2399.
So 2399, 4 miles from Racing, turn right heading 200, maintain 3000, full establish localizer, cleared ILS from a 2 threat approach.
Southwest 2399.
Southwest 2399, contact tower 120.9.
399, thanks, appreciate the help.
Okay.
Tower Southwest 2399, emergency aircraft with you. We're on the ILS 23 right.
So 2399, Indy Tower, wind 140 at 10, runway 23 right, clear to land.
Runway 23 right, clear to land, Southwest 2399, and if you didn't get the word, we'll plan on stopping on the runway initially until we get clearance to taxi from the ground.
So 2399, roger, we do expect you to stop on the runway, and I'll give you a ground frequency once you are on the ground.
I appreciate that, thanks.
So 2399, when you're ready, ground on 121.8.
21.8, Southwest 2399.